Hello everyone, this is Edgar with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and today I'll be showing you how to replace your left outside panel on your Beats Solo 4s. Pretty easy repair. All you'll need is prying tool, Phillips 2.0, and maybe tweezers if you have big fingers. And the left side will be indicated by this saying the left side. The right side does not have no lettering, so you just know from the left side, the right side. You want to grab a prying tool, bend this side down, and you just want to pop in here and pop open. There's 4 little gaps. You'll feel when you're putting your flat prying tool in, you'll feel the space when you're moving down, like no space, no space. Oh, there's a nice little space, no space, no space. Nice little space. Pries open like that. Once you get it here, grab a prying tool, go down here, and just up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Nice and easy, not too hard, not too much pressure. It'll kind of just come off on its own. As you go down, boom. So now that you have all these wires here, you gotta be a little bit more careful, but you have 4 screws, undo. Got the 4 screws undone. This might pop out, but no worries about that. Now you have the main wire is glued down right here. You could use some form of heat, like a blow dryer or a hair dryer or a heat gun if you have one, but just to make it simple, you can just pull on the wires nice and easy, not too hard, and the glue will come off. You grab the wires off, then you can pull the Bluetooth board off the outside panel. Your prying tool, pop it off like that. Throw this one away, go grab your new one, get your new one, and place it down where you see all the screw holes. That means it's good to go there. Grab the screws, screw it back in. Once it's screwed back in, all you gotta do is be very careful here. If your wires are exposed a little bit, as you can see, gold wire and the black wire is exposed a little bit, that is 100% fine. You just want to place them back as best as possibly can. Grab the tape over them, just like that. And now you want to place the top part down first. Then you want to grab your inside panel cover, place it where it's nice and flush. Once this is flush, you go to the other side, and once you got to the other side, all you have to do is squeeze and then test if it moves clearly. You got that perfect. Now you just want to squeeze here, and you should hear click on all 4 portions. You just replace your outside panel on your Beats Solo 4s on the left side. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to comment below. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.